Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to change the default drive from C to D in Windows. Now you need to know that this method will work on both with the same steps, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply press on Windows plus I or search for the settings on your PC. Then what you should do right now is to go and navigate to storage. I'm going to search for it right here, storage settings. Then what you should do right now is to go and click on change where new content is saved. Just tap on it. Then here, as you can see, here you have new apps will save to. I'm going to change it to F or E, for example. New documents will save to. I'm going to change it also. New music, new photos and videos, new movies and TV shows will save to, and also the story or offline maps. So here I think I can store them on the F partition. So I'm going to change all of these things to F partition. Then click on apply beside each one. But keep in mind, if you have already files on your C, this will not move the files from C to F or from C to any drive. But you get the idea. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.